Kinuto ko sa iyo kanina, we just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we meet last week sa Misibis. Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na yeah.
Can I take a video of you, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. I can show it to the staff, sir, as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th on the Saturday, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care of instruction by our speakers, instruction by the president. Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa Solcom, you have to malaman ng mga troops natin. And actually, we'll see you on Friday. Are you coming sa dadating ka ba sa Friday? December 13. Linggo ng puwangan natin.
Sa evening na siguro,
Evening. Kung dadating si speaker. Si speaker kami ulit na dalawa. So, inform you on that. So, hopefully, ma-approve na yun sa plenary for ratification yung pinirma ng BICAM. Sa Senate, they will also approve it also this afternoon. Para yung 7.5 na nare-receive ng CAPRO, magkakaroon sila more or less dagdag na 10,500. So, that's more than double of their salary.
Yes, sir.
So, please, okay, na-inform din namin kanina si Chief Browner, but I want to inform you mismo diretso kasi tayo nag-uusap na sa Misibis and i-announce it that na we'll make sure na an additional of 8 billion on the BICAM will thank God na we're successful tayo na naipasok natin ito sa kasundaluhan. So please inform our soldiers na natuloy and then the President will approve the budget more or less December 20. So once approved yan, starting next year, meron ng allocation ng ating mga kasundaluhan ng 350 pesos a day na subsidy.